In this video, I'll show you how to easily customize the Quick Settings panel in Windows 11 to suit your needs. On the very right end of the taskbar, click on the Quick Settings icon set, containing the Wi-Fi icon, speaker icon, and battery icon. In the Quick Settings panel, click on the pencil icon to edit the panel. Now to remove a quick setting, click on the Unpin icon associated with it. In the example below, Unpin icon associated with Focus Assist is clicked to remove it. You can remove multiple quick settings at this step. Once you are done with removing the unwanted quick settings, click on the Done button as shown below. That's it. On the very right end of the taskbar, click on the Quick Settings short panel as shown in the screenshot below. As next, click on the pencil icon to edit the Quick Settings panel. If you would like to add a new quick setting, click on the Add button first, and then click on the quick setting that you want to add from the list that expands out. In the example below, the quick setting Night Light is added. You can add multiple quick settings to the panel at this step. Once you are done, click on the Done button. That's it. If you look at your Quick Settings panel now, you can see that your unwanted quick settings are removed and the needed ones are added. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.